So you drove this thing back from Texas to
Yeah,
Colorado.
I flew out. I bought this car because you tagged me in a post.
Yeah.
And then I drove out there, and me and Kody worked on the car all Saturday for like 15 hours. And I just hopped in the car and drove it all the way back. And then I had to fly out for work, so I fucking parked it at the house and booked it to the airport.
And here she is.
Yeah. And down right there.
Oh yeah! Wow, the frame rails are all.
Yeah, it's like bent around the power steering.
It is all
so
creased. The whole nose is shifted over.
If you look right here, the whole nose is like to the passenger side, like 2 inches.
Yeah.
It's hard to see until you look at the car.
Yeah, the front end certainly ain't straight. That is wild though.
Yeah.
The Bondo on that.
That's a fix, dude. There was a giant chunk of Bondo there.
Well, I mean, they probably tried to mask that damage, you know.
That was a fix. Like here's the look.
You can see all the Bondo cracking all along through here. Yeah,
it's
like
supposed
what is?
to bolt here.
Yeah, that's so far off.
Yeah.
The whole front end is moved to the passenger side a couple inches, but
Yeah.
you'll have that.
It's just like the BMW, man. I'll just stick my giant pry bars in the frame rails. Like, check out right here.
You can straighten her out.
There's the radiator support.
Oh shit! Yeah, wow,
Radiator
wow.
Yeah. So that has to happen, like when I do the bumper cover.
Yeah, definitely.
And little body kit.
Well, it's gonna be a little bit more than hanging a front bumper cover on it.
Yeah.
That's okay though. I mean, what'd you pay for this car?
$700.
$700. Yeah.
I mean, like, what happened into it's a different story, but
Yeah. Well,
uh,
that's how it starts. This will be the most fun that you have all week, probably, and you can get all your aggression out. Kind of knocked it out. Hold on a second. Yeah, that was good. If you could go further to the back a little bit, if that's at all possible. Just slowly keep working your way back with it. Yeah, see, I mean, it's...
she's moving, dude.
She's moving.
She's got to line it up with the fender.
What'd your neighbors say about this new thing?
They haven't said anything yet.
Because I know they were mad about your truck.
Well, the truck's looking pretty decent.
I know, but
No one's been giving
you
us
bring
shit.
this by.
Oh, yeah. It's been home. The neighbor that's into cars has already seen it.
Oh, yeah.
And he looked like slightly sad that I owned this thing. Because me and him get along really well. Oh, now the magnet works. Yes.
Oh, damn, that thing's back in,
yeah.
back in business now.
Proper shape, dude.
Hell yeah. Slowly restoring this thing one piece at a time. You're going to see it at SEMA 2020. Yeah, well, you should. You should.
Yeah. Fucking way better, dude. Way better. Way better.
Yeah, that's much better. Now it just looks, I mean, the damn fuel door closes. Before that was sitting out like that.
Yeah, because it was stuffed into the cap. So then it would just open and drive around like that all day, which was funny. But
Hey, my truck does that.
so yeah, now we just gotta smooth her out. We're not gonna do a fix like the body shop did and like layer in Bondo. We'll just knock it
Yeah,
back
we don't
off
need
again.
Bondo. Bondo's a joke of a fix. If we're gonna mask something, we'll just put a wrap over it.
Yo, Reagan's wraps look really good. Those like do-it-yourself wraps.
Yeah, one of those would probably look rad on
I'm
here.
tempted, man. If we can make this right here, like, not look half bad. If we can pull that out and maybe swap a door, I might do that.
Yeah, it could probably use a door, but
I just don't think I'll be able to get in here to take the crease out from inside of the
no,
jam.
that thing's manual.
Like I can get a
Look
little
at the
bit of
freaking
it,
thing.
but
And like the inner door is so bent up.
yeah, Ben Martin needs to make some needs to remake his fiberglass over fenders that he has for his car, by the way. So if you could throw that vibe out there, Ben, shit together on his fenders. And I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Look at that looks. There we go. Money. Now we just got to pour to power the door, straighten up the front end.
That does look way better.
Yeah. Once we get that dialed in, I'm just excited to go on track with this thing.
Always follow. I will always follow.
Oh, I know you will. I'm gonna follow you though.
Uh-huh. scared?
Yeah, it is. I can find why the other one's stopped.
Is that the highway?
I can't again.